Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm making coconut biscuits. In a bowl, add in your softened butter along with your icing sugar and mix well. The butter should just be softened. As you can see, I made mine a bit too soft, but it still worked. Then add in the vanilla as well as the oil and mix it in well. Then add in the baking powder and the cornflour. Then mix in the coconut. And lastly, the flour. If this becomes a bit difficult to mix using the spoon, then swap it out for your hands. This could also be made using a hand mixer or in your stand mixer. Mix everything together well, and you're looking for a soft but not sticky dough. Lightly flour your surface and roll out the dough in batches to about a ½ centimeter thickness. Use a fork to scrape the top of the dough, and this part is optional. Then use a cookie cutter to cut out your desired shapes. Place them onto a greased baking tray and bake at 180 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove them from the oven, allow them to cool completely, and they are ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!